Hi everyone, video update time again for the Arctic Expo 2023 in aid of Prostate Cancer Uk. Well, we've had an interesting couple of days. So we set off yesterday morning from Suwalki airfield next to the Suwalki corridor where Lithuania and Poland meet, and also Kaliningrad and Belarus. And we got away from there. It was a nice flight for a start, but then as the day builds and the thermals start kicking off, it's got quite violent. So the end of yesterday, we were forced down by thunderstorms. There was lightning strikes ahead of us, and we diverted to a field in Poland, and we were greeted by the guys and their wives, and they were all trike pilots, and they took us for a tour around the hangar or hangars, and it's just trikes everywhere. So they were really friendly, and there was a party going on, and they invited us to join in with them, and you know, they couldn't give us enough. They fed us and give us drink. We were on the whiskey within 10 minutes of arriving there. It was absolutely fantastic, and we slept in the clubhouse, and then the guy turned up really early this morning and took me to the garage with the fuel cans, and we went and got filled up and then got on our way. We've done a couple of fields in Germany today. Everybody's been really helpful and friendly, and you know, the fields are getting a lot more frequent now in Germany, and you can get fuel at almost every field you stop at. So we're filling up every opportunity we get, because it's the big thing. You just got to get fuel. And then towards the end of the afternoon, the sky is bubbling up with thunderstorms again, and we're landed at this place. I can't remember the name of it. I've done that many fields now. I can't remember the name of them. But we're here in Germany, and there's a restaurant, and we've had something to eat, and we've had a drink. And we're stopping in the clubhouse again, which is fantastic. There's showers, good facilities. Everybody's been brilliant at looking after us. If the weather allows, we're only really a couple of days away from home. So we were hoping to be at Mid and Zealand tomorrow, and then it's just one more hop to get home. But with the weather as it is, looks highly unlikely. So I mean, everybody here is saying that tomorrow, Monday, is just not flyable, but we're hoping that we get the odd little break in the weather and we can just hop to the next field, and hopefully that's the case. But if not, we'll get a taxi into the nearest town, and we'll go and have a look round and entertain ourselves like that. So yeah, so we're looking forward to getting home now. Yeah, night in, getting your own bed and all that business. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.